He's done it again and out. What a catch. Absolutely outstanding by Mohammed Azharuddin. And the words of Jeffrey Boycott, prophetic.
Well, what a catch when we see that again by Azharuddin. But what a shot, look at it. It's nearly a wide. An atrocious shot. Brilliant catch, atrocious shot. And already Australia are 1 down from a terrible shot and a terrible ball. 4 for 1.
Well, the young man, Ricky Ponting, trying to secure that number 3 spot. Comes in at a tough time for him. 4 for 1. Johnson with his first test wicket under his belt. And this is why Ricky Ponting is at the crease in just the 2nd over. So wide, and Azharuddin just like picking a ripe peach off the tree.
Well, he nearly couldn't reach that, Michael Slater. I know he's a positive, aggressive player, but that was just giving the bowler a wicket. We should thank Azharuddin for a splendid catch, should David Johnson. Well, it was a lovely catching height for Azhar, but even so, it's a great reflex action. You stick your hand up high, one-handed. Caught it easy, didn't he? No trouble. Never looked like missing it. He'll probably go and drop a sitter now during the game, a real cuckoo, after catching a blinder. That's what happens. It's a funny old game.
Got his tail up, Johnson. Bowls with a bit of a round arm action.